Create a LonWorks network and StructureWare's automation server to connect devices. Rename and customize the newly created device in LonWorks. Add the device to the Workplace TAC Editor in the Control panel. Access the Workplace TAC Editor's Import Wizard and open the application. Upload and save the downloaded file to the selected controller, naming the device and category. The saved Workplace TAC Editor file will be displayed in the Control panel. Assign the application to the device by accessing the MNL portion in the device's settings. Choose the saved file when assigning the application to the device. Commission the device by right-clicking on it and selecting the necessary options. Commission the device by entering the Neuron ID of the controller and confirming the action.